Hey out there, so excited. This is day 6 of our Thanksgiving countdown. So I'm very, very excited about it because today we're going to add another part of our Thanksgiving meal. And this meal, we have included a turkey, sort of, and a nice cornbread that's made from non-GMO corn and gluten-free flour. That's delicious. And then we use the cornbread to make the cornbread stuffing. And so today we're going to talk about what we're going to put inside of the cornbread to make the stuffing, or use on top of the cornbread to to make the stuffing. Wait, did I say that right? Okay, let's try that again. So first we're going to we're going to take the sauce, or maybe this, what I'm going to tell you about today, to kind of put over the stuffing. And then tomorrow we're going to talk about what we're going to put in the stuffing. All right. I think that was right. So this is the really exciting part. Okay, so, one of the things that I really like to do is I like to make gravy. And, for so long we talked about, all I knew about was making gravy with like butter and lots of flour and all of those kinds of things. And I realized that was one of the reasons that gravy was so fattening, is because it had so much butter and oil and all that kind of stuff in it. When you're like, well, it's just a little bit of gravy, why would that be fattening? But it is, because it's got all of the fat in it. Well, I have discovered a way to make some delicious gravy, and I call it the versatile mushroom base. And what that means is, really, it comes out kind of thick. And basically what you can do is you can thin it out to whatever consistency you want, and you can actually use it to put inside the stuffing. You can put it on top of the stuffing, and then you can use it for other parts of your meal. So if you needed gravy for any part of to put over the stuffing, or gravy to put over your turkey meat, or whatever you choose to use it for. So I'm really excited about this. And I chose a versatile mushroom base because mushrooms are really, really, really healthy for you as far as vitamin D is concerned. There's lots of vitamin D in it. Like a cup of mushrooms, like portabella mushrooms, has like 3 grams of protein. Like, you knew it had protein. But the vitamin D is really important because vitamin D is so good for weight loss and type 2 diabetes, and for strength and for energy. So I like to use it for that. So this video is not going to be long, but I am going to tell you the secret to using these mushrooms and washing the mushrooms well is what I like to do. Now, some people talk about dusting off the mushrooms, but I'm not for that, right? I want some water to hit them, and I want them to get clean. And I might even put some fruit and vegetable wash in there and let them soak around in there. And then I'll drain them, rinse them, and then drain them, dry them, and then I'll cook them. So that's what's really exciting about this. But this gravy is really so delicious. The gravy is going to have like onions and thyme and garlic and all of those kinds of things in it. That's really full of antioxidants. And then the mushrooms have antioxidants. So the whole idea is that the things that we're consuming is going to be fighting for us, fighting diseases for us. So I'm really excited about that. I think you're going to enjoy this versatile mushroom base, and I can't wait to hear what you think about it. Please tag me if you use it. Tag me from or show me on. You can comment, or you can show up on my Instagram page or my Facebook page, so that I can see what you're doing with it. And I would love to see a picture of your beautiful Thanksgiving table. And that's another thing that I'm going to show you. I can't wait to show you some decorations for your table that we're going to go down the line after we get all the food all together and stuff. So I'm really excited about this. I know you're going to love it. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please help me grow my YouTube channel. I would love for more people to know how to eat for their health without compromising, eating well without compromising their health. So I want people to be able to eat and not worry about high blood pressure or diabetes or anything like that, because we're crafting our food choices so that we don't have to worry about those things. So we're adding layer upon layer of nutrition, but at the same time, layer upon layer of flavor. So I'm so excited about that. Like, comment, and subscribe below. And then I have a question for you. What kind of mushrooms do you use? Do you use mushrooms for your gravies? And do you use mushrooms with gluten-free flour, or do you use regular flour? Those are good questions. Well, here's a gluten-free variety that is going to be delicious, but doesn't have gluten in it that's going to cause bloating and intolerances and things of that nature. So I know you're going to enjoy it. I can't wait to hear your comments. I'll see you next time. But until then, live life by choice, make it a healthy day, and enjoy the beautiful fall leaves, and wake up every morning with gratitude. Thanks again. I'll talk to you later.